So let's get into how I made these delicious loaded steak nachos. And here's how I made them. I first seared some ribeye steak using a cast iron skillet for about 4 to 5 minutes to each side. I seasoned them with a little salt and pepper, smoked paprika, and steak seasoning. Then I sliced some green peppers and onions and sauteed them in some olive oil until they became softened. Next, I quartered some floured tortillas and fried them until golden brown and then added salt. Then I placed about half to a serving bowl and started on my layers. First, I added the steak, then peppers and onions, then my melted queso cheese, which I added some diced green chilies and red pepper flakes along with some milk. Then once you're done with your second layer, you can scoop some out to a separate bowl and add your favorite toppings. I added taco sauce, jalapenos, and sour cream. This is my spin on things. Now you complete the cuisine.